Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have no idea. Pretty sure I have heaps of food on my face, but this weekend is going to be super fun, so I thought I would film a little weekend vlog. I'm having a little fall night. That's what everyone on TikTok's calling it, but it's literally spring here and we don't even call it fall, we call it autumn. Having a little Halloweeny night tonight that I thought I would film. I'm going to go to the supermarket now and get everything because I'm doing a bit of baking and cooking, which is going to be really fun, and we're going to do a little craft activity. This weekend is a long weekend, so I'm going to take you guys with me for my weekend. It's a Friday, it's like midday. I have a bit of work to do, so let's go get that done. Okay guys, I'm at the supermarket. This is everything I've got: the pumpkin, the bread. They didn't have just like a regular white sourdough, so I ended up going with that. And then I got stuff to make the cinnamon scrolls, and now I just need to go get some alcohol for my mum. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out now. Okay, this is everything I picked up at the supermarket: breads, flour, yeast, stock, some fruit and stuff for the soup. We are going to make cinnamon scrolls right now. I've seen these all over my For You page. I feel like it's really fall-y, even though it's literally spring right now. I've never made these before, so let's go. Okay, I've just like measured out all the ingredients: butter, sugar, 2 eggs. I'm waiting for mum to come and bring more eggs. We've got some milk here, we've got some flour. Just do yolks for this. Or was it, I need to do whites? Whoops. 2 egg, oh, plus 2 egg yolks. Okay, so I've done it wrong. Look at that.
Oh, you're a professional.
I am a serious professional. These better be the best cinnamon rolls in the world. Milk. Okay guys, I'm up to making the pumpkin soup. I have never made pumpkin soup before, so 3 cups of vegetable stock. I just set up the pumpkins. So these are what we are painting. We have some paint and the little pumpkins. So we have little ones and big ones, because the big ones like sold out. They sold out so fast. These are just from Kmart, but I'm literally so excited for that. Alright, these are our pumpkins. Which one's the best one? Everyone say that one. Don't look at that one. Good morning everyone, happy Saturday. It's currently, my battery's flashing, so this is about to die any second. It's currently 6:43. I am currently at my Pilates class. I'm going to Peach's Pilates. Then I have my laser appointment tonight. I'm like kind of stressing because as I was driving here I realized I've been breaking out a lot, and I think anyone that's ever been on Roaccutane knows that like when you finally get clear skin after having like such bad acne for so long, you go on Roaccutane, you go through everything, and then your skin starts, like, I know that's like 2 pimples, but it's such a mind game. Like I'm like, oh my god, no, like so I'm like kind of freaking out because as I was driving I was like staring at it. So yeah, I don't know really what I'm gonna do. I think I have a facial next week, which we're actually getting for work. Like that wasn't even planned, so I'm very excited for that. So hopefully that helps, but I'm hoping it's just because like hormonal and like I am on my period right now. But yeah, that one is, I've had that like really big one for a while, and then that one is like brewing. Hello guys, long time no see. I think literally the last thing I recorded, I was making breakfast, but it's now currently 4:30. I had my laser appointment and I was so worried about them saying I had a fake tan on. Obviously I have fake tan up top, but I hadn't fake tanned my bottom. But they didn't, and they did it for me, and it was painful, but it was so worth it. Anyway, I've just gotten ready. It's obviously Saturday night. I finished my book as well. But yeah, I did my makeup. I've been trying to like get better at eyeshadow, and I've created like a go-to look that I've been doing like the past like 5 times that I do my makeup. And it's like this purple eyeshadow, and it looks so good because purple like really brings out green eyes. But I wanted to have like a go-to just like brown eyeshadow look, so I tried that out today and I still think I really like it, so I'm trying to like get better. But anyway, I'm going out for dinner with my family and like my mum's friends and stuff, which I wasn't actually gonna go, and my mum goes out for dinner like with her friends and stuff all the time, and I used to go like a lot more, but my plans for Saturday night got like cancelled and it's a long weekend this weekend, and I don't know if I spoke about it in another vlog or something, but I've just been feeling like sorry for myself basically, and like down bad. One of my friends in Sydney, one of my friends in Melbourne at the moment, and a couple of them are busy. One of them's in Europe, so I have friends obviously, but sometimes when I'm like not doing stuff on the weekend, or if I'm home at night, which I usually love, but sometimes I feel shit and I feel like I'm lazy, or I feel like shit and I feel boring and a loser. So I was like, you know what, I don't even care. I'm gonna get dressed up nice, and I'm gonna go out with my mum and her friends, and it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna have a good food. And sometimes that's all you need, just like get dressed up and feel better. I literally like saw a friend yesterday. I'm seeing 2 friends tomorrow, 3 friends actually, and then I'm going, like, I've got plans. It's just, I don't know, I've been trying to make more of an effort to do that, because like I battle between like go out and do more, and then you're doing too much, you need to rest, and like being routine. Like it's just like this constant battle. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and show you what I'm wearing. Actually, after laser I was meant to come home and like quickly tan my legs, because I haven't had tan legs all week, and I actually forgot, and I read my book, so I had to wear something that covers my legs. I'll tan my legs tomorrow. This is what I am wearing. It's just this top from Kookeye, and then this, ooh, you even see maxi skirt, denim skirt. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday. Oh my god, oh my god, that was really dumb. I put a pimple patch on and then I put tan on my face. Am I gonna get people here? No. If I do, I'm literally calling the cops. Anyway, I thought I would just try and make myself look a little bit presentable. But happy Sunday. I'm going on a walk and breakfast. Actually, I think we're just getting breakfast, but I might go on a walk afterwards, because it's like where we're going for breakfast is like right next to my favorite walk. We're going for breakfast. We're going to the Holiday, which is actually one of my favorite cafes here on the Gold Coast. They do like Jaffle toasties, and they have a spaghetti and cheese one, and it's actually so good. They do all different Jaffles. They do crumpets, like big sourdough crumpets, and they're so good as well. So I'm like, oh yum. I've literally tried everything on the menu besides the acai bowl, and I could so go with an acai bowl right now, so maybe that's what I'm getting. But I'm meeting Sarah, which I'm so excited. She's one of my uni friends, and I haven't seen her since July. It's now October, so it should be so good to see her. Anyway, maybe we'll put some mascara on. I don't know if I want to cover the pimples or not. Like, I'm kind of like, yeah, cover them, but then I'm also like, maybe I should let them breathe. Okay, hello guys. I don't know if I've probably spoken to you this morning, but it's Friday night. No, it's not. It's Sunday night, and I'm about to go for dinner with the girls. We're going to Paloma. Tell me why. I've literally tried to go to Paloma 7 times, and every time it's somehow on Monday, and I have to get there closed on Monday, and you can't make bookings, and it's just like crazy. But I'm so freaking excited. I'm going with Luana and Lucy. I'll show you what I've ended up wearing. My hair, I literally just washed my hair, but it's giving like oily, and I had it slicked back. Then I looked like an egg, but the room is so messy. But I'm wearing this set that I always wear. It's really, really cute. I hadn't tanned my legs. When I got home from the beach this morning, I literally put on a 2-hour tan. Let me show you. I just washed it off. Somewhat dark now, but it developed so dark, so it'll be nice for tomorrow. Got my lip combo, and then I'll grab my bag, and then I think we're good. I might bring a jacket just in case it gets a little bit colder. Guys, I don't want to brag, but I just parallel parked my car perfectly. And like usually I can't parallel park, but go me. I just got to Lucy's house and we're meeting here. It's like 5:30. Well, it's 5:28 actually. Luana finishes at 5:30 at work, about like 10 minutes away, so she'll drive here after work, and then we'll head to dinner together. I'm actually worried about getting a booking. I haven't like getting a table. I haven't told the girls that they don't do bookings, so hopefully they don't mind waiting in line for food. But I just realized I didn't tell you the fucking most embarrassing thing that happened to me today. I just want to preface this. I left 30 minutes earlier than what I needed to be so I could get a park, so I wasn't late to see Sarah, because I knew it was a hot day, plus parking down there is literally dire already. Anyway, so I ended up being 30 minutes late because I was looking for a park for 40 minutes. Anyway, going back and forth, and then I drive and I see a car pull out. And I was like, nah, I'm literally blinker on straight away. I'm zoom into the car park. Didn't really take into account or like pay attention to the fact that the car was tiny. I have a small car. Like, I'm literally got a Hyundai i30, so it's a small car. But this car was like clown car vibes. Anyway, I just zoom in. I'm not a good parker as it is, and so as I go in, wrong angle, completely scrape my car. I'm saying it's the tires that I've scraped, like the plastic cap over the tire, but it's probably my car, it's probably my tire, probably ruined my car. I'm that person that if I got stressed over scratches on my car, I would be constantly stressed because I scratch my car so much, and to the point where like I just like to have a car that I'm gonna drive into the ground, and I don't really care about having a nice expensive fancy car because I'm the worst driver in the world. Well, worst parker. Anyway, I completely scraped my car, and there's a lovely little bit of grass right in front of where I've just parked, and there's like a family having a picnic. All these guys, well, the girl walking past is really pretty, having a picnic, and they're all just looking at me like, ooh, and I'm like, oh, awkward. But I come in on a wrong angle. Obviously, as I said, I scraped my car, so I had to like go back to go in straight basically. So as I'm going back, I'm re-scraping the car, so I can see them like going to get up to like try and help me, and I'm like, fuck. I'm like, do not get up. Anyway, I like straighten up. So embarrassing. And then I go to like go straight forward, and I do this every time because I forget that I have a low car, and I scrape the front. So then another young man literally comes over and goes like, do you want me to park it for you? Like, I'll be parking. He's like guiding me, and I'm like, I literally want to die. So I literally was like, no, it's fine. Parked my car and then ran. So yeah, that's what happened. Anyway, let's go to Lucy's. I haven't seen her in like 2-ish weeks, and I'm so excited. So let's go. We just got to Burleigh. Luana drove us, and I was trying to direct her, and I said right, and she went left. But anyway, we got a better park because of it. Exactly. So she knew what she was doing. Exactly. Anyway, the line didn't look too bad, so hopefully it's not bad. Yeah. Smile. I'll just remove this because it didn't look very nice. That bread does look delicious. This is our food. You probably can't hear me. Oh my fucking god. Yum. Is it good? Yummy. Hello guys, I'm back from the restaurant. I just took off all my makeup, so if I look... Did I completely miss this section? I have no idea. I just look scary. Back from the restaurant. It was amazing. Oh my god. It was like steak frites, peppercorn or pepper sauce. I hate pepper, but tell me why I'm still thinking about it. Like, oh, literally drooling. It was like one of the best things I've ever put in my mouth. I made myself a cup of tea, and I'm gonna chill in bed. It is a long weekend this weekend, so I'll take you guys along with me tomorrow, and then that will probably be the end of this vlog. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill, probably start my new book. Good morning everyone, happy Monday. It's a public holiday here in Queensland, so I'm just getting ready for the day. It's currently like, ooh, it's 10:30. I had a pretty chill morning. I've been editing my new YouTube video all day. It's the last Europe vlog, which I'm honestly really excited for because I've filmed 2 videos since, and they're just like routine videos, and they're the videos that I prefer to watch. But this actual Italy vlog is actually so, like, it's my favorite. It's just like, I don't know, I'm looking at it over here, and it just like makes me miss it. It's like a nice long vlog, which I personally prefer, and yeah, it's just like really cute. So I'm really happy with that one. But I'm now gonna get ready because we're gonna go to the beach today, but I think we're actually going on the boat. My mum's friends, like family friend vibes, owns a boat, and I've always wanted to go on it. And so as much as I really wanted to go to the beach, I am not mad. The weather this weekend has just been insane, and I'm really sad because I think it's gonna go bad again. Let's actually look. Yeah, ew. Tomorrow's still gonna be nice though. So look at the weather. I don't know if you can see. 31, no, 27, 30, 22, and raining just all next week. So that's not very nice. So I want to kind of make the most of it today, obviously. But I'm just going to do a little bit of makeup that I would do for the beach. I literally do eyebrows, mascara, and lips. and I'll speak to you guys later. Just got dressed, put on my bathers, and then I'll show you the outfit. Tiger Mist, Princess Polly, One Day Swim, and then these bathers are Bitey. But yeah, just put on some random Crocs. I think there's like a wine and food festival in Burleigh, so I think we're gonna go to that after we go on the boat, because Kyle Lionheart is playing, which is just like a random guy. Cabana, mum's filling it up with sand. I'm holding this up.